When running a business based on a digital product, the power that you have is in data. So how do we get to employ the power of the data that this product is collecting or producing? We're going to do that through a set of sub-products which must exist in order to give the business means to run it with knowledge and with intelligence in order to make the best out of it, the best out of the business and the best out of the product. So sub-products are simply software solutions that provide interface to data, data analytics, business intelligence, content management, and so on for the main digital product. These may be third-party solutions which you integrate into your product, or they might be custom-built solutions which are built on top of the data. So I'm going to go through some use cases, some details, touch base very simplistically so that you can understand the point. So let's get started on that. Let's start with Fabric. It's a product by Google, acquired by Google some time ago. It is a product that can be integrated inside your mobile solution, and it will collect the data about your users' behavior. So why is it important and why I mention it first? What is the power that you have when running this business of yours with a digital product? The power is in the data, power is in the users. So if you can understand the users and understand the data, you can run your business better and grow it, and you can improve your product to utilize the best of the data and to give the best to the users so their habits, their behaviors can match your expectations. So Fabric is a platform that can be integrated in all Apple operating systems, and Android and Unity, which then goes again and integrates into everything, so you covered off 70% probably of everything that is being built nowadays. What Fabric does is that it gives you intelligence about engagement and retention of your users. It will track what your users do, what actions they take within the app. So by using that intelligence, you can improve your app by changing features in a way that they are actually being used, or losing the features that are not being used. It's part of the topic I was saying, how you define what you do in future stages of the development of your product. Now, what is very important is that Fabric is unaware of the data circulating through your system. The data that you have is something that you own, so you cannot let third-party solution handle that. So you need a custom solution that can handle your data. And imagine mixing something as powerful as Fabric, which gives you user behaviors and how they act and what they do, and mixing that information with the data that is actually being produced. Now that is some power that you can have in your hands. Now that requires custom built sub-products, and that's why you cannot cover off everything with third-party integrations. Another good example of third-party products that will complement, supplement, improve your business in any way or something that is very obvious. Most apps will make money for a business through in-app purchases. So App Store or Play Store are basically the products that will give you interface to the financial data and the money being collected and how much money you spend on this and that inside that process. So it is basically a sub-product that gives you data about finances. Now, if you're integrating with some payment gateways, Stripe, for example, or PayPal, and so on, that is again another sub-product that you might use. You might have a combination of both. So again, we come to the point that you have distributed systems which require something that will put all the data together. when it comes to putting all the data together, there is a very powerful tool by Microsoft called Power BI, BI standing for Business Intelligence. It is a visualization tool which allows you to pull in a vast amount of data from different sources, merge them together in various ways, and present them visually. It basically creates data reports. Very important for running your business, making good decisions, presenting results to interested parties, whatever. So very powerful tool that gives you means to mix and match data and come up with intelligence of your business. Based on this, some would argue that Power BI is top of the food chain solution for all these products. However, it is not, because it is a visualization tool. It has only the output. What you do with that output now becomes manual. You need to be able to take that output and employ it back into the power of your solution. So what Power BI enables you to do is to open up API endpoints which your solution, your main software solution, custom sub products can feed from and employ the data into whatever means possible. I'm thinking machine learning first of all, and then employ the analytics and those results back into the product. So let's sum it up. There are third-party solutions, very powerful, that you simply must use. It's ridiculous not using them because you cannot simply build something like that and invest in that. It's nonsense. There are solutions which can employ all the data being collected for visualization, reports, and your strategic thinking. And then on top of the food chain is your custom sub-products that utilizes the data and employs the power of the data back into your product. Thank you for watching.
Hey guys, I really hope I brought you value with this episode of the Digital Product Concepting and Innovation. Go ahead, subscribe, share this, pass it on, and let me know what you think.